Anthony Geary, iconic General Hospital star, is dead. Umunyamerika w'umukinnyi w'amafilime witwa Anthony Geary yapfuye. The actor died on Sunday following complication from operation 3 days prior. TV Insider reported, "It was a shock for me and our family and our friends." Uyu mukinnyi w'amafilime akaba yarapfuye ku cyumweru azize kubagwa inshuro 14. Abo mu muryango we bakaba batangaje ati byadutunguye kandi ni n'akababaro ku nshuti ze ndetse n'umuryango we. Geary's husband Claudio Gama told the outlet in a statement, "For more than 30 years, Tony has been my friend, my companion, my husband." Claudio Gama yabwiye ikinyamakuru The Outlet ati mu myaka irenga 30 Tony yabaye inshuti yanjye, umuherekeza wanjye ndetse n'umugabo wanjye. He was best known for playing Rook Spencer on General Hospital, a role he originated on the soap opera in 1978. Akaba yaramenyekanye akina yitwa Rook Spencer muri filime y'uruhererekane yitwa General Hospital yatangiye gukina mu mwaka w'1978. Rook was ultimately paired with Jenny Francis Laura, and together they became daytime biggest super couple. Rook muri filime yakinanamo n'uwitwa Jenny baza gushyingiranwa. Their 1981 wedding was watched by 30 million people, the most watched episode in soap opera history. Ubukwe bwabo bwo muri filime bwo mu mwaka w'1981 bukaba bwararebwe n'abantu barenga miliyoni 30 ku isi yose. Bityo bica agahigo ko ari bumwe mu bukwe bwarebwe n'abantu benshi muri filime z'uruhererekane. Geary left the series in 2015. Geary akaba yararekeye gukina iyo filime mu mwaka w'2015. Other movies he acted in include izindi filime yakinnyemo harimo Disorderly, Broad Sabbath, UHF, High Desert Kill, It Takes Two, Night of the Warrior, Penitentiary Free, Intimate Agony, Crack House, Carpool Guy, Sorcerers, General Hospital, Do You Know the Muffin, Nightlife, Bright Promise, You Can't Hurry Love, Fish Tank, Johnny Got His Gun, Teacher's Pet, Night of 100 Stars, Pistol Whipper, The Return of Captain Nemo, Perry Mason, Kicks, Pass the Ammo, Dangerous Love, You Are the Jury, P.I. Private Investigator, Anthony and the Cleopatra, What If, 50-Year Soap, The Obituary, Celebrity Daredevil, El Reventeno the Zombie, On the Edge, Shaft of Love, Alice and the Monster, The Imposter, The Shaft to Love, The General Hospital 45, Sins of the Past, Joven Diabo, Luke and Laura, Serenity Kill, and many others. Anthony Geary was an American actor who was born on 29th of May in 1947. He died on 14th of December 2025. Anthony Geary yari umunyamerika w'umukinnyi w'amafilime wavutse tariki 29 z'ukwa gatanu 1947, yitaba Imana 14 z'ukwa 12 2025. May he rest in peace. Condolences to his family, his fans, and all his friends. Wakoze kubana nanjye, igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Wakoze ugira ibihe byiza. This story was published on people.com.